Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use the unique and filter formula. So let's look at this data here, which comprises of staff name and department. So our objective today is to be able to identify each of the staff with respect to their unit. So this is just a raw data here. You can see from our data here, it shows that ring, which is a staff name, is in audit, tan is in accounting, court is in finance. So from this data here, I won't be able to tell how many staff we have in finance, how many staff do we have in audit, how many staff do we have in HR. But there is a way, or in fact, I won't be able to identify how many departments have been captured in our data here. So the unique formula will help us to identify and filter out unique departments from our data. And the filter will also be able to, we'll use the filter to identify the staff with respect to each of their units. So using the unique filter is as simple as possible. You just say equal to unique, type in unique, you can see it here, and you highlight what you want to filter out. So we want to look at the unique department we have. So my control shift arrow down will help me to highlight that session. So click on enter. So how many departments do I have here? I have audit, accounting, finance, and HR. So I can now itemize them here. Audit, accounting, finance, HR. So I can delete this. I don't need this anymore. That's fine. Now using the filter code, using the filter formula, you type in equal to filter. Then first I'm looking at the staff names. So that's what I want to filter out. So control shift arrow down will help me to highlight. However, I will lock it in by using my F4, comma. Then I'm filtering, I'm looking at it alongside the department. So I'll do the same thing for departments. Control shift arrow down again. Then I'll type F4 to lock it in. Equal to the department I'm filtering it with. Each of them equal to the first department is audit here, which is in cell D2. Then you close your bracket, enter. So you can see these are all the staff that are in audit department. So what you just need to do for the other to filter for other departments, just drag this arrow down and you have them. As simple as that, our data is now well arranged. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Bye.